Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make these fingerless gloves. Now I'll show you how to make this glove. To make my glove I'm using stretchy fabric which is 38 cm by 21 cm and it stretches this way so it goes around my hand easily. First, I'm folding my fabric in half like that. Then I'm folding my fabric in half again like that, and I'm cutting a little notch in the center there. And I'm pinning a pin in the center, so it looks like that. Next, I'm folding these two edges down like that, approximately 1 cm of each edge, and I'm pinning those two edges together like that, and I'll repeat same on the other side. So it looks like that. Next I will mark the measurements for my thumb. First I'm measuring the distance between thumb and the glove hem, which will be 4 cm. So I'm marking those 4 cm from the glove center and adding those 4 cm and repeating same on the other side, marking 4 cm there. And next I will mark the thumb measurement, which will be 4 cm too, pinning that down there and repeating same on other side. This is how it looks after I pinned all of the measurements on my glove. Next I will sew there, there, and then I will skip the thumb. I'm sewing a straight stitch 1 cm of the glove edge. After I sewed both glove edges together, I'm removing all of the pins and I'm cutting off all of the hanging thread. It looks like that. Next I will iron flat these two seam edges. I'm ironing flat those two seam edges. Also I've ironed flat both hems on each end of the glove. Next I will fold this glove in the center in half, like that, so the center is on the top, and I will pin these two seam edges on one side like that, from top center to hem. So this is how it looks after I pinned one side of the seam edge. Next I will sew a straight stitch approximately 2 mm from original seam. So this is how it looks after I sewed both seam edges together, approximately 2 mm of the original seam, as you can see there. Next, I will repeat same process on other seam edge. This is how it looks after I sewed other seam edge. So this is one seam edge and this is other seam edge. Next, I'm reversing my glove to the right side. Looks quite good. So that's the thumb hole there. quite good. Next, I will sew the hem together with the invisible stitch all around using a needle and black cotton. And my glove is finished. Hem looks very neat and it is very stretchy. If you have any questions how I made these fingerless gloves, please do comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.